Good evening and welcome to our first ever virtual open house for transition and, more importantly, the start of the 2021 school year. My name is Dawn Langdon and I'm the supervisor for transition programs here in Glenbard. I'd like to start by thanking all of our parents for your continued support and adaptability as we navigate our way through these uncharted times. I speak for all the staff whenever I say your partnership and commitment is what has allowed our students to continue to grow and work towards their individual goals and outcomes. Speaking of staff, I'm going to turn this over to our staff so they can talk to you a little bit this evening about what's the year is going to look like and a little bit about themselves. So again, welcome to the start of the year, and I look forward to continuing to work with you. Thanks.
Good evening. I am Patty Wales, and I am excited and proud to be able to help your son or daughter develop their independence. First, let me start off saying that I am Glenbard through and through. I am an alum of Glenbard East and a parent of 2 Glenbard South alums. I am also starting my 25th year working at Glenbard. I started my career as a life skills assistant for 10 years at Glenbard South. I absolutely loved working with the students so much that I returned to get my master's degree and become a certified teacher. I regard transition as the most important years of your child's education. It's my opportunity and privilege to help your son or daughter learn how to live their lives as independently as possible on their terms. Building independence is not easy and looks different for each individual. I may not have all the answers, but together with you, we can help these young adults build their independence to lead their lives as they choose. There are many avenues in which to build independence that I conducted a poll in our independent living class to narrow down what the students were most interested in learning. Those that voted, which of course is an independent living skill, collectively chose healthy eating. So we are studying nutrition and the My Plate, which is part of the federal dietary guidelines. They wanted to learn cooking, so we will learn different ways on how to safely use various appliances to prepare meals. And as an extra, we're going to learn how to use the washer and dryer. And thirdly, they wanted to learn about money management. So we're mainly going to be working on budgeting and learning how to make those important personal and financial decisions. But don't worry. We will eventually get to the not so fun parts of becoming a responsible, independent adult. As parents, I think we all have our own ideas of what our favorites and not so fun responsibilities are. It's a part of living independently. I so want to thank the students and their parents for your patience and understanding as we have been trying to find the best way to teach remotely. I will mainly be utilizing Schoology to hand out the assignments, Google Drive, mainly Google Docs, slides, and sheets, and of course Zoom. We will get through this unique time in our history as long as we work together, as I believe we all share a common goal for the students to become responsible, independent, and happy individuals. Thank you very much for your time and enjoy the rest of your evening.
Hi, my name is Pam Peterson, and I'm with the Glenbard North Transition Program. This is my 11th year as a transition teacher, and it's my 2nd year at the Glenbard North Transition site. I'm very excited to welcome back our students from the program from last year, and I really got to enjoy meeting the new students in the program. My area, in addition to working with my caseload students, is in the area of community. And traditionally, that would involve going out into the community and experiencing many things within the community. But due to COVID-19 and our remote learning circumstances right now, we're going to try to do things virtually and still try to get students out into the community and see and experience things as best we can in hopes of returning into the community later sometime this year. I really look forward to working with your students this year. Please feel free to contact me at any time if you ever have any needs or concerns. I'm I'm here to work with you and with your students. Have a great night.
Hello everyone, my name is Kevin Malador and I am one of the 3 transition teachers for Glenbard North Transition Program. I have been a teacher for the last 10 years and I've been with Glenbard for, this will be my 2nd year. So a little bit about my educational background. I received my undergrad from Illinois State University in special education. I got my master's degree from Northern Illinois University in advanced practices in special education, and I got my transition specialist certification through UIC in Chicago. A little bit about me personally. I am married to my lovely wife, Casey, who is also a special education teacher. We have a 2-year-old daughter, Briella. We call her Brie. And she is the love of my life. I like to share pictures and videos with my students, and I'm excited to continue to do that as the year goes on. As I said, this is my 2nd year with Glenbard, but this is my 1st year teaching from our new transition site, which I cannot wait to have everyone join eventually. But until then, we are going to be doing our e-learning experience. And as I mentioned, my area is vocation, which is basically the world of work. So this school year, I'm excited to work with my students on finding out what are their goals and plans for the future during transition and after transition in terms of employment. Now, some of my students are on a game plan of paid work. Other students are looking for volunteer experiences in the community. And so it's trying to piece together puzzles for each of my students to make it a successful journey for each of them individually. So some of the content that we'll be covering over this school year, it's going to be a wide array of different content areas that we're going to discuss, but we'll be doing some job and career exploration where we look at the different career clusters that students could potentially go into for work. We will be doing some personal development with resumes, cover letters, job application skills, interview skills, all of those fun things that you're going to need in order to gain successful employment. I am very, very excited to be working with each and every one of my students this school year. I can't wait to interact with all of you individually as this year goes on. And as always, if you ever have any questions for me or want some advice or anything in terms of employment or in general, please feel free to reach out. Thank you so much. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Goodbye.
Hi, my name is Erin Hoving. I'm the transition specialist for Glenbard District 87 and DRS, which is the Division of Rehabilitation Services. I am here to support students and families from their transition to adulthood. I look forward to working with all of the new families that are coming into transition and look forward to continuing to work with our current families. Welcome to the 2021 school year.
Hi, my name is Iris Franco, and I am the vocational specialist for both the North and South transition sites. My role is to assist students in securing employer-paid positions. This year, I will be meeting with students virtually, one-on-one, to assist them in preparing for, securing, and maintaining paid employment.
Hi, my name is Marie. I am the nurse with the Transition North site for the Glenbard districts. I've been with the district for 1 year. This is my 2nd year. I enjoy making YouTube videos for my students on health-related topics. In my spare time, I enjoy yoga, meditation, and trips to Michigan and Southern Illinois with my family.
Hello, my name is Marian Kalinowski, also known by the students as Mrs. K. This is my 5th year as a teacher assistant with the Glenbard North Transition Program, and I absolutely love my job, and nice to meet you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dustin Guevara. The students can call me Mr. D. I have been working with Glenbard for the past 17 years now. Some of the interests that I enjoy are movies and sports. I also coach wrestling at Glenbard South High School and Special Olympics basketball at Glenbard South High School. So enjoy, have a wonderful day, and I cannot wait for us to be back in school. Bye.
Hi, my name is Victoria Sinise. I am an aide over at the Glenbard North Transition Center. I've been with the district for, this will be my 8th year. I have two amazing kiddos that keep me very busy with their travel soccer and working remote now.
Welcome to the Northern Community-Based Transition Site. The front room is designed to have flexible learning areas for students to work independently or in small groups. This is where students will find their daily schedules at the beginning of each day. This is one of the instructional spaces where students will work on skills that will be transferred into the community. The kitchen is fully equipped to give students the opportunity to learn kitchen safety and sanitation skills. This space will serve as an instructional space for small groups in the morning, as well as a break room for students to eat lunch daily. These are smaller rooms available for students who may need to call for a ride to work or practice social skills with a small group. The larger spaces offer flexibility when structuring and planning for vocational training, where students learn skills for employment. We look forward to welcoming you to the site. This video includes modifications due to COVID-19 to show new room use.